Hey guys, this is for anybody having problems with their Dodge starting in neutral but not in park. I replaced the neutral safety switch, unfortunately, and that didn't fix the problem. So I ended up having to loosen this nut here and slide this piece on the shaft. I actually moved it down the shaft a little more so that when you push down, it pushes the park on the transmission side further. And that fixed my problem. It now starts in park the way it's supposed to. And I could have saved $70 on a neutral safety switch. Just a little FYI for anybody that's having problems with their 2001 Dodge Ram not starting, but it would start in neutral. Have a good day, guys.